Right, I will see more about Aquaba Biome. This is another episode of Obete Sound. They say, oh, your bow, a hashtag Obete Sound. Hashtag Obete Sound. That sound in Namusa. 2 minutes to be another dumb, back to back, front and back, back to back, front and back, back to back. What I say? Now at the Damusa. A dear me just saw I and a J. Sikapa. A man say in this year enemy. And I'm a boy for a University Foundation. But me, my mom was will be in fact Kroma. I dear why I'm making for Wisiane, a Jankano fat, a better winsome. Was an encounter was Easter Bay, and any medical subomona buano. Now young call inquire adoye. If you see a boy nipper, what's yes here, and yabra nipper when you are quite champion the paper. Yabra tribute and oko school, and we so say the beginning of Fashion so. The party as in a sister would it. And into no air ferno, I want no man a good screen so no. Now and then ending sound so. Me say. Sanju my dear say me share say me nkobreko me ntame ho yeah me ntame ho aya sound me ntame ho 2 seconds okra because me ntame ho pe boys ne be fa machi akọ tie say me ma wo mo te sound ne ntam kra and sound o ma fa machi akọ wo tie ase aya na nya say bia ye ni dwuma bia di krom ha o asum aya na nya say ye ni dwuma bia di o ye wo dwuma di papa. But ye yetimamufuo essentialfo ye tuma se niam ankoyi a yetime ma aban no ye ma ne te sound I say ankoyi a ye ma aban ne te sound e wa kire ho important ho enfuturo mu ho se ankoyi a se ma aban ne te sound because ya ma aban ne te sound a ye de ne sa nipa ba wu sa just like that and ya samini so si pepe ubahu original minister ho enya si ya ubahu ya friends MC asamini si ya na MP convert na wo no mo ba na wa mo ba aya say asam si ubahu wo na convert wa mo ba but before ade ni si ya no de ba ma ade na si no omo fa ho se bibi si ya de ba ma accident but nobody cares. Se bibin si ya kroma saturating si ya one say apieti na regional minister na vice president Tom Namadua
mo jare mese mo jare ya
wo mo pese bibisi kroma ansa na wo ma yedai wo mo tu anamo eno na me pese wo mo ti sound se mama wo mo anti sound a de bia no innocent souls bewu ansa na wo mo tu anamo de bia no innocent aba hwe mo kra aba tete pansam ansa no matu anamo hwe mo kroma on traffic light common traffic light traffic and a light MC ye wo kroma chese wo bia common traffic light solar panel a supply your friend say energy anima traffic light kroma ebu almost chese ebu ya chese ebu Ora se de ade ne ye na se de esibi agwedere no na ye utu se bu ya che ana baby ade na bu na o ha skiri ni so e bu no e ho no e ye sharp curve sharp curve o every week bi amatimi aka che o say accident esi wo no e bro 20 because 2 minutes bi an accident esi 2 minutes bi an accident esi 2 minutes be why because I want to say cars in negotiate careful now and you sharp at the traffic light now and my cars no alert no one slow down no I say because solar panel na man energy no and nyajuma at the cars in ba some a croma driver for na make e be so I say dem go do for once again they drive anyhow it is about nyine ya ho a yes ya nyine ya ho. If the government is not thinking about us, yes, no. Yeah, I don't want to go traffic light in Yachuma. We understand. Abanis who ye. MC Tom was so who ye. MP Namo so who ye. Minister Namo so who ye. Assemblyman Namo so who ye. And to what's our driving in. And to what you want to Sabi. Patron a boom. And we drive anyhow. But your MC will come her. Your DCs will come her. Your assembly members will come her. And this the torrential baba, nobody is talking about it. Until say EDBP or Yeneke Siapa, ne Pegu, ni Patro Munka. Now, Sana, Yababa Jaho, and Abamba way, Abamba Sidan way, Abanda Nipa Check, Yabba way, Yabama way escort, Yabama way, and to put it don't be out of this and be seen. How? The beard is a baby as a chroma. What kind of amamo is that? What kind of amamo from 0 to hero? I don't mean woman to be a way chroma. From the down to the top. Sabano said, Nanado boys in Boa, fire them and let them off. And I now say, a better year, Yameba, living legends, a better, then the pearl, a better year, then the person of Mukranqua. Oh, Ghana, hey!
Mojare, Messi Mojaria, Mojare, Mekaho, Yenaya Jar.
Yes, how? Tete ho sa. Sharp car from a traffic light to see. Solar panel, a mano, energy, a sono, a sentinel, traffic light in Yajuma. More than 2 months, more than 3 months, more than 1 month, more than 1 week, more than a whole lot. Huh? A whole lot. And prominent people pass that area. I am talking about Pokwase Ablekuma Highway. Prominent people. Yakap Chase Esikafo. Prominent people pass on that highway. The piano convoy the num. The piano MPC num. The piano MC num. The piano assemblyman num. And the person will tell me, say, Muhuya. Hey! Muhuya. The piano power. The piano. Nano manika accident car no samasotiye. And because of the traffic lights na nyajumenti no nipa chinimu mo de na tu say minim say asa de yasheda ade bibi pum apachi winsam nobody cares because before you to abon no wo mo jamu na omo ko manim na mo machi na mo jamu na why. Why the biamu pese ya be ye de say and say no man say e say mu ye bibi ye as a leader you have to think ahead. You have to think ahead. As I say we tell and say ye actually before we think no you have thought. Leaders thought. You don't think. Leaders in this country you have to think far. Before we think no you have thought that. How? Babu de dabi the money man, and you hear V8 at a Kohan and at a Kuwait at a Sikadiana. But I don't know if it's any to about this country. We gave you the power. We gave you the power. So, quite a vast why any power the mamono or being your coup. Nobody will support coup in this country. Will be your coup. No being too abide. But the choir of us, the cochromatic power, it is the same power that can bring you down. The same cochromatic. The kind of cochromatic that sends you there. The same cochromatic will bring you back. Nobody will do cool to against any government, to overturn any government. No! But cochromatic, the Ghanaian citizens are now thinking ahead. They are thinking. Since you are able to cochromatic for, we are coming to advise the time. The education so mama you betu na fo. Ati someone to me anene amaye ya betire kwa ya befa so ye kokromoti de beye. Na nya fa so de amaye. Na nya fa so de amaye. Anon come traffic light. I do say sir. And drivers once and I will blame you. Omo ba. Instead of say wo mo be compare omo no. Chirisa. Anya de to kroma. Anya de to Africa Ghana how. Anya de to ya. And ukoka. And man ka. Ukoka yes boy. Mo ha tene. Yes, you ever had tene because amamo no ye who the kind of amamo. Ye who be that. Ati yesem. Ye who mo style of amamo no. Ye who. And that Ghana kromo aya je unam kromo pa na to say street light, common street light. There were a couple of towns and cities in this country. Unam wa eya they be Arabs attacking for. Why? Because common street light, common street and common street light. Ebi ni krom ha papa. And on the highway so crowd say be zebra crossing because there's no zebra friend say street light can't be bobia at any time anajo. As to the piano yet chroma and a year of rose, year of way. Sana finaso. Sana for yes now, but no more discount. No more or PM some. No one does your constitution. I say constitution way crown. Sa constitution ye right. Me sa constitution way. Sa constitution way so one must say. This constitution must be changed. Constitution way. See answer sa Ghana constitution way and your constitution. Some part of the constitution need to be amended now. Within the shortest possible time, some part of the constitution needs to be amended. Hey, na se ba amend it. Na se nipa ba wusa. Anya na se ba amend it. Na se nipa aba bresa na se ba amend it. Na se nipa ba ko ahunyanya mu no ya musa. Anya na Samoa. The Ghanaian citizens are suffering. And then be nyo kroma. Bibia nye okroma bibia nye ye light ko ye nso ko aban bibia nye okroma why na ye munko ye adidi ama munko di ade na mun hwa oman so this is how you are going to handle the state. No, this is not how we run a state. Please again. Mamenda me producers at the part. Na menda me MCR. Me chito. Aseda kase enko Emma University Foundation once again. Ba no ekunafo a wonu line na wo honi nyina. Oti foundation pe na adoye ne ade a. Bidin ameje so na aje sikapa. Juma de no se yato ne din wo better sound. Oti kakaka. Because when you fast pe boys so mafumachi. Omufumachi pe so mafumani so tata me fast. Na mama wa monte sound pera wo mani apa wo so na adwuma ekoso na go bon hira wo ye be hia bio.